Looking for a dependable toner cartridge that keeps your Brother printer running smoothly? The Smartomi TN830XL Black Toner Cartridge Replacement offers exactly that. Designed for seamless compatibility with popular Brother models, this high-yield cartridge ensures crisp, clear prints every time you hit print. What sets the Smartomi TN830XL apart is its built-in advanced chip. This chip guarantees your printer recognizes the cartridge instantly and accurately displays ink levels, so you never get caught off guard by unexpected low toner warnings. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to swap cartridges without hassle or delay. Each pack includes two TN830XL toner cartridges, giving you plenty of printing power right out of the box. With an estimated yield of 3,000 pages per cartridge, based on standard 5% coverage on letter or A4 paper, you get more prints with fewer replacements. That means less downtime and more productivity for your home office or small business. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, including the DCPL2640DW, HLL2405W, HLL2460DW, MFCL2820DW, and many others. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or labels, the Smartomi TN830XL delivers consistent, professional quality results you can count on. Using a premium high-yield toner cartridge like this one matters because it reduces the frequency of replacements, saving you time and money. Instead of constantly swapping out cartridges, you'll enjoy longer print runs and better value overall. Plus, the quality of each page remains sharp and smudge-free from start to finish. If you're tired of toner cartridges that don't live up to expectations or cause printer errors, the Smartomi TN830XL is worth a look. It's built to meet the demands of high-volume printing without compromising quality or reliability. You get what you pay for, consistent performance that keeps your workflow moving. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The Smartomi TN830XL Black Toner Cartridge Replacement fits right in and delivers what matters most: reliability, high page yield, and easy installation. Try it when you're ready to make printing simpler and more efficient.